Magandang araw sa iyo, kaibigan. Ito pong muli si William Ramos, ang iyong kaibigang may kapansanan. Magandang araw. Yaan ang hangad ko sa bawat isa sa atin. And today, my tip for you is how to make it a great day. First, it's important that we start the day with our Maker. Simulan natin ang bawat buka ng araw na kapiling natin ng Diyos. Let's open our Bible and then look into the promises of God and start with that. Pray on a promise. Halimbawa, Matthew 6:33 says that seek ye first the kingdom of God and all His righteousness, and everything will be added unto you. So start with that. You start praying to God and letting Him know that you're willing na unahin mo siya, to seek Him first and His kingdom, at meron kang assurance that God would take care of everything that you need. Now, the Bible also says that He will never leave you and He will never forsake you. All throughout the day, marami ka mang pagdadaan ng mga uncertainties, mga pagsubok, mga problema siguro, pero alam mo na hindi ka kailanman iiwanan o pababayaan ng Diyos. Now, with that in mind, you can go through the day with a positive spirit. At napaka-mahalaga rin that we do random acts of kindness. Ano ba naman yung minsan pagbuksan mo ng pinto yung isang taong nakatatanda? Or sa pila maybe sa bangko, pinauna mo yung nasa likod mo? O yung pumitas ka man lang ng bulaklak at pag-uwi mo, ipasalubong mo yun kay Lola na nag-iintay sa iyong pag-uwi. Those little things mean a lot because those creates memories that would last a lifetime. So sa isang simpleng araw, you can do a lot of good to make that a great day. And that is my wish for you. Have a great day, kaibigan. Hanggang sa muli.